Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create amazing tags with the new 3D fonts in CapCut. So here I've already prepared a clip and I want to just go straight to tags and add my tags here. Okay, after you add the text, if you want to have 3D text or 3D font, you can just I'm going to just select the font first, and then you can just go straight to effect, and in here just find the one that you want, the 3D one. So for example, I want to use this ones right here. As you can see now, my tags will become 3D like this. So you can just choose which one that you want to use. There are lots of options that you can use. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.